Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 10, exercise 10D, book D3, trigonometrical ratios. Question number 1. Use your calculator to find the following angles whose trigonometrical ratios are given. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. Number A part, that is a tan A is equal to 1.23. We have to find A because we have to find the angles. So tan A means A is the angle. So A is equal to 1.23. So you need A. Tan is multiplying with A. So it will be divided here. That is tan divided by 10. So it means you can write as anything which is dividing, it can be written as tan inverse 1.23. So with the help of your calculator, you can find the values of tan inverse. How can you find? So with the help of, so the methodology I would like to tell that it is a scientific calculator. When you use that is, you have to press shift 10 and write down the values 1.23. You will get 50.88. So your result is 50.88. Then it is a lengthy value 8608, but we have to write the answer up to one decimal place. So 50 point, because we have to write here 8, but the preceding term is greater than 50%, so we have to add here. So decimal place, one decimal place 0.9. So your result is up to 1 dp. Dp mean one decimal place, up to. So that is your required answer. So similarly, now coming to the another part, that is 10b. So tan b is equal to 2.56. We need the value of b, so that will be tan inverse 2.56. So the by using the calculator you will get 68.663140, but up to one decimal place point, because greater than 50% you have to add 1 here, so it will be 0.7. So up to 1 dp decimal place is your required result. Now coming to the C part. Actually in this exercise the basic thing is how to use the calculator, because students know to find the sine theta, cos theta and tan theta, but the inverse function, how to use the inverse function. So that's why in this exercise you will learn how to use the inverse function or inverse calculator. So that is the sine c is equal to 0.78. The value of c is once again sine inverse 0.78. So the value of c is you can find with the help of calculator, again by the same methodology. Press shift sine 0.78, you will get 51.260575 but we need up to 1 dp, one decimal place. So 50 point, that is your decimal places, so you can write as 3. So your answer is up to 1 dp decimal place. So that is your result. Now D part. In D part you have to find sine D is equal to 0.527. We need the value of D, so sine inverse 0.527. So by using calculator, what is the value? So by the same methodology you have to find from calculator. It will be 31.802980 1 but we need up to 1 dp, so 31 point here less than 50%, here is 0, so no need to add anything here, we have to write the same one, so that is your required result up to 1 dp, that is decimal places, so that is your required result. Now coming to the next part. Now the E part is cos E is equal to 0.352. We need the value of angle E, so that will be cos inverse 0.352. Use your calculator to find it. Your result is that is by using calculator, you can see here the result is 69.39030 and again 70. We need up to 1 decimal place, so 69.4, because 1 is added because it is more than 50%, so 1 dp is your required result. Now coming to the next part, that is cos f is equal to 0.725. we need the angle f, it will become cos inverse 0.725. by the same methodology, use calculator to find the value of cos point. So the value of cos is 43.5311 but we need up to 1 decimal place, so that is your result. Because it is less than 50%, no need to add, so it is up to 1 dp decimal place is your required result. Similarly, coming to the next part, that is G part. In G part, tan G is equal to 0.786. So the value of angle G is tan inverse 0.786. So by using calculator, the value of G is that is tan inverse 0.786 is 38.1673468, but we need up to 1 dp, so it will be 2, because 1 is added here, it is more than 50%, so is your required result up to 1 dp. Now the next part is your H part, that is tan H is equal to 1.275. we need the angle H is equal to tan inverse 1.275. so by the same methodology, using the calculator, you will get the values, that is 51.89243112. Angle H is 51.9 because 1 is added, because the term is more than 50%, so that is your result up to 1 dp decimal place is your required result. Now coming to the I part, sin I is equal to sin I is equal to 0.468. we need the angle I, so it will be sin inverse 0.468. the value of I is use calculator, that is your value is by using calculator you will get 27.904. 0.034 degree. So we need I, so that is 27 point up to 1 dp, so 9 up to 1 dp. So that is your required result. Now coming to the j part, that is sine j is equal to 0.867. We need the angle j by the same methodology, 0.867. So use calculator. Once again, I would like to repeat the process here that you will learn it carefully. That is, you have to press shift sign and write the values 0.867 and equals. So your result is 60.11186973 degree. So the value of j is up to 1 dp, that is less than 1, so you cannot add any term. So 60.1 degree is your required result up to 1 dp. 1 decimal place is your required result. Now by the grace of God, we have completed exercise 10D. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.